How to link your partner on floapp. So all you have to do is just go to your floapp and I have to put my code, and as you can see here, you can see partner in the bottom right corner. Just click that. Now, if you want to link your partner, as you can see, this will be your first page. If you click partner, this will be the first or this is the one that you would see first. And after that, you just have to click link your partner and just send this pairing code. It depends on you. Just you can send it in Facebook, Messenger chats, and Telegram, or it depends on you. So we can also use WeChat, and that's it.